it looks like now the beach is empty because it's the first day back from school holidays, and I've gone to physio and I've asked if I could just have a little bit of a tickle. So I'm coming down here as a trial run, and this, you know, it's pretty windy, and we'll just see how we go. But I'm using a great man's GoPro. I just want to do a big reach out to a gentleman, one of our subscribers, one of our fellow shaggers, Steve. This is for you, mate. This is your GoPro, and we're going to be using it for this shot to show that our appreciation to you and what you've done for the Shag channel. Totally fantastic, Steve. And Gary, if I want to come back, I'm looking for you now, mate. So we'll see how we go down here. Obviously the wind's coming from the side, so I'll be actually coming straight out and having a drift to the left hand side. We might get some whiting. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon, and we'll see how it goes, team. So I'll just get rigged up. Standard thing again is a paternoster rig with long shang hooks, bait keepers on them, and we're using whir. The target species is whiting, and anything else can happen because I haven't fished for a while. I've been just doing a lot of commentary, and I'm just going to get the cobwebs out because I've got the tick to go. So until I overcast again and re-injure my back, we'll just see how it goes. So anyway, here we go, Steve-o. Let's rock. It's fantastic, the knowledge that people have when you're speaking to people, and even on the comments, the knowledge that people have, and putting that on. We all think we're good, but we're not great, and a lot of people have so much knowledge and practicality about them. Even the hint with the sinkers, spoon sinkers with the wire through it, really great idea. You know, cheap alternatives. That makes fishing, you know. The videos are great of hearing an old bloke rant and rave and sharing my experiences, but getting your comments and listening to your experiences is fantastic too. And that's what it's all about, sharing all our experiences. And Maroubra today, with that wind and my back holding up, please let my back hold up. We'll see, hopefully, if we catch the elusive whiting or brim on this windy old day in Maroubra. Okay, so I'm going to come down to the water, put a small weight on. You can see the wind, it's pushing me right over to the left. I'm just going to cast out there and see where we go. Let's see if anything's hanging in these shallows of this offshore wind, or the wind I should say. Got this gutter going that Gary was working the other day, and we'll see if anything's in here. The kelp's disappeared. Not bad so far. Got a bit of, I like that sandbar through there and just the deep trough. Doesn't seem to be any kelp at the moment. Looking at the sunlight coming down and penetrating onto the sand there's no dark patches. So we might have a win. I do like that little bit of break over there to my left. So we will travel down that way later on. We're getting a bite now. And we got one, Steve-o. I think we got one for you. He's picked it up nicely. that's a nice brim. Look at that. Good conditions. And we're catching them here now. I'll get a measure on that one. And he'll go in the bag tonight for a feed. Not too bad. That was a move. I just moved 20 metres. As I said, I was going to walk down a little bit, about 15 metres in. So not a bad 30 centimetre for the first move. Let's go, team. Let's get some more whiting, eh? Let's get a few more. Alright, so we got our first brim. Let's say it's about 20 minutes in. And we've got the drift going to the left a little bit now. Because I've come closer to where I wanted to get. Casting about 15-20 metres out. The wind's not been doing any favours at me cast. On windy conditions, you've got to try and keep your sinker low to try and get to the distance. Because if you cast high, the wind will take all the braid or all the mono off your line and cause a few problems. It's extremely hard now. It's sort of picked up a bit and the current's really sweeping me to the left. I'm actually casting 12 and coming onto the beach at 9 o'clock. I don't want to go to a heavier weight. I'd rather just keep on doing that and just getting a bite there now. Definitely the hole where fishing is down this area through here. So it's pushing me into the hole where the fish are. So I might as well position myself another 20 metres down there and cast out. We'll go for a walk. That was a good little hit. Perfect fishing in these conditions, as I said, just because if you get bad weather for us, it might be alright for the fish. You can only give it a go, turn up, throw, cast, and if no good, pack up and go. You improvise, adapt and overcome. Improvise is to fish with the wind and the current. Adapt is to adapt to the changes with the sinkers and the weights you use. And overcome is to keep on persevering. Jeez, I sound like something out of Clint Eastwood. What was it, the Thin Red Line, was it? I'm not sure. 1983, 86? If you're in the war movies, you let me know in the comments to see how far I'm off. The 2SU hasn't dulled the memory that much yet. I don't know. But let me know. I know a lot of people are very, very keen listeners about bag limits, sizes and penalties, etc, etc. As I said, I'm not an expert, I'm just a normal fishing bloke. Just giving my spin on things. The spin mightn't be the correct thing sometimes, but hey, why not? It's all fun until someone loses an eye. I can guarantee you one thing, shaggers, they're not looking for me, alright? That's what I'm talking about, Westpac helicopters. You don't want to take risks. Helicopter's scaring the fish. What's going on? Someone did go missing in Maroubra last night. I don't know if that's fact or fiction, or they're doing surveillance for sharks. But that's the second sweep they've made so far, and it's pretty low. That's just my drone, guys. I got the drone here. I'll just control it for you and chuck it over to the right for you. Don't worry about your little DJI 4s. I've got the big yellow and red one here, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Meanwhile, back to the fishing. You've got to amuse yourself at the beach, don't you? Interesting, we've got the helicopter buzzing around, Shag and rock fishing on a beach. I've got two police officers walking towards me. I bet they won't ask me for a fishing license. Time for a big walk. What's it all about? Not sure. I'll scare my fish away. I got no chance at all. I need your help, Gazza. Steve, what do I do? Measures. Double dart. We've got the double dart. That means the shit fish are around. There you go. Well, that was a good hook up. Two little dart, but they're the ones that just go tick, 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 tick. And I'm fishing very close in now. So we're doing it very hard, but they were double hook up. So I must be in the zone and just waiting for something bigger to come along. I'm in that just a little gut about 10, 20 metres out. Two bream, two darts, and it's all good. So the lady told me that there's no fish here. I'm stupid. Maybe dart and all that. full of whiting. Well, we're down here at Maroubra Beach and the wind is really upon us. We come down here and I'm testing out a GoPro 7 that a lovely guy sent to me. Steve, this is for you, thank you very much. Your kindness and gratitude is amazing, and it just goes to show the kindness out there for people and fellow fishermen. I've already met some beautiful top people fishing on the beaches. Gary yesterday, another great bloke, always has time to chat and help. And there's some magnificent fishermen in the eastern suburbs. I just wish I could hold the standards, some of the standards they hold themselves to in the fishing world. Because through the catches they bring in up 2 bream, legal sizes, after the helicopter scaring them away. So that's not too bad. They're in very close, but gee, the wind, it's hard conditions. I just hope I haven't put the mic on the GoPro 7 SD game, you have to work all that out. But at least you might be able to get some commentary from it. Good hits, but very close. But small hits, they're not picking up and running it. Just really subtle hits.